So I'm going to be sewing 3 curves in here. I'm going to be sewing without pins. So there's a couple of things I do and things I love about this machine. I'm using an HP foot, an HP plate, a high precision foot and plate, and it's got a narrower foot on there which has got a 1/4 inch seam allowance, which I really like. It helps doing curves, especially if you do the smaller curves. We'll have a look a little bit at later on. But it's just one of my favorite bits with this machine because it gives you the precision and it gives you the room to move around. The other thing I do when I sew curves, because I'm going to trim these blocks down, I sew with a shorter stitch length. So I find that if I do a 1.8, then when I trim the blocks down, they don't start splitting in the seams. So it gives me that extra strength to keep the block together. It's also really useful when you sew small curves because you can work your way on around with little steps rather than big, huge steps. It gives you a bit more control.